Hi guys, let's make some powder yam using microwave. Awesome, right? Are you really interested in this? So let's go. Welcome back to my channel. And so today we are going to be making poundo yam using a microwave, right? Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to be pouring my poundo yam flour in the bowl and I'm adding water. This is as the spirit leads because I really don't know how much quantity you want, but then just make sure that you dissolve it in the water smoothly and make sure there are no lumps. I'm adding a bit of water because I don't want it to be too thick because of course I'm still going to add more water later. So I'm taking it straight into my microwave and I'm going to be microwaving it for about 3 minutes. And you know what, let's just wait and see the outcome. Oof. So it is ready after 3 minutes, and I'm just going to mix it as much as I can. So this is the first process. As you can see, it's not that cooked, but then it is a bit solidified. So I'm going to add more water to it to bring this to cook, like make sure that it is properly cooked. So I'm going to be taking it back into the oven, and this time I'm going to be covering it with my oven cover, but then you can use any plate to cover it. I'm going to be cooking it for like 2-3 minutes, and we are going to wait for the results. So I feel it's not cooked, and I'm going to be cooking it for another 1-2 minutes, and that is what I'm going to be doing right now. So I think it is properly cooked now, and we are going to start the combining process. We are going to mix it well. So I'm still going to use my spoon at this time, trying to make sure that the water gets into the poundo yam. So I'm going to just combine and mix. Oops, the plate was so hot. I had to bring a kitchen rag to hold it. So this is me just stirring and combining it to make sure that it is all good. And yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. So after some minutes, I'm going to be introducing my turning stick. I think that will help it combine properly. So this is me using my turning stick, and I'm going to do this till I get the texture I am looking for. So this is me still on it, and trust me guys, this is properly cooked, and there is no difference with this kind of process and the one that I make on the gas cooker. Like, there is no difference at all. Can you see it? Can you see how fluffy and white, if I should say that? So this is me just dishing it, and I'm just trying to make. I can actually make into a more into one ball, but I just want to make to to give it the vibe of the way you usually just buy your poundo yam at restaurant and just serve it in like two small balls. And this is look I was looking for, and yeah, so our poundo yam is ready, and it tasted so good too. Will you be trying this, or will you stick with the conventional one? I go for the two as the spirit lead. If you have watched to this point, you know what? Just subscribe to the channel and give this video a like and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and it's a bye bye from me.